Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney. Today in this video, we are going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions, what is trailing SL and how you can use it in RMoney Tradion App. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, let's understand what is trailing SL. A trailing stop loss or a trailing SL is an advanced stop loss feature that automatically moves your stop loss in the direction of your profit as the market price moves in your favor. Unlike normal stop loss which stays fixed, a trailing SL helps you to protect your profit and stay invested while the trend continues. So you can say that it is a stop loss which follows the market price. Now let's understand with help of an example. Suppose you buy a stock at 100 and you set a trailing stop loss of 5. Here's what happened. Your share price is 100 and your trailing SL of rupees 5 and a stop loss of 20 points. Now suppose if the stock moves from 100 rupees to 105. Now your trailing SL will also start shifting from 95 to 100. So now let's suppose if your stock price is moving up and then your trailing SL will also keep moving up as per your given value. So if the stock price reaches at 110, your trailing SL would be at 105, and if the stock price moves further at 115, then your trailing SL would be at 110. Now imagine if the stock price starts falling from 115 to 110. Then in this case, your stop loss gets triggered and your order would be executed. So you lock in a profit of rupees 10 per share even though the stock has moved down. Now you need to remember that trailing SL move upward in case of a buy position. It can never move backwards if the market falls. So the next question is why you should use trailing SL. So as we have discussed that trailing SL give you several benefits, like it helps to protect your profit, it eliminates the need of constantly monitoring the market, it allows profitable trade to run longer, and it reduces the emotional trading decisions. So which is why intraday traders, swing traders and momentum traders prefer to use trailing stop loss feature. Now let's see how to place a trailing stop loss order in RMoney Tradion app. So for that, once you open the Tradion app, you need to select the stock or contract you wish to trade. Once the order window is open, tap on bracket and cover order type. So in RMoney Tradion app, you can use the trailing SL feature in the bracket order. So first enter the quantity. Select the price, whether you wanted to place this trade at a market or limit price. Now enter the stop loss. And here enter the target. Let's keep a stop loss of 10 rupees and a target of 10 rupees as well. And here you need to check the trailing SL feature. And now enter the trailing SL. So here we are going to put the value 1. Once you review your order, swipe on buy. So as you can see that your order is successfully placed, and in the order section window, there are 2 lakhs open. The first one is of stop loss and the other one is of target. Always keep in mind while using trailing stop loss feature that if the price of your stocks moves higher, for example 100 to 112, your trailing SL would also move higher. But if the stock price starts falling, the stop loss does not move back. Instead, when the market touches the trailing SL price, your position is executed automatically. So this is how you can protect your accumulated profit while using trailing SL feature. Alright, that's it for today. In case if you have any doubt, please drop a comment below. Until then, happy trading. Bye-bye.
Investments and securities are subject to market risks. Please read all related documents carefully.